Hmm. Okay, start.
Welcome to, ladies and gentlemen, one the International Cricket Tournament 2015 the Grameenphone Cricket Cup, Bangladesh and Zimbabwe, the Mirpur Sharabangla Stadium, Dhaka. Dhaka is a very beautiful city. Bangladesh is green and green. The nature is very fine and weather condition is very beautiful. The temperatures are 30 degrees Celsius. One toss, the Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower and Bangladesh captain Mushfiqur Rahim on the toss and decided to bat first. Cover, extra cover, mid on, long off, deep cover, backward point, gully, fine leg, west mid on, short cover, short fine leg, short gully, short mid on, and short long off. Bangladesh, the batting career captain Mushfiqur Rahim, Sharir Nafis, Tamim Iqbal, Mohammad Ashraful, Nasir Hussain, Abdul Razzaq, Shakib Al Hassan, Shadat Hussain, and Mashabi bin Murtuza. Zimbabwe's batting career captain Andy Flower, Grant Flower, Stuart Carlyle, Neil Johnson, Hamilton Masakaja, Brandon Taylor, Tatinda Taibu, Graham Krima, Chikamburu, Heathstick, and James Cutley. Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower is a very dissimilar the fielding side, offside the 5 fielders, onside the 4 fielders, 1 fielder is stood. Wicketkeeper Nathan Astor, the first one slip Graham Krima. And Bangladesh, the opening batsman Tamim Iqbal and Sharir Nafis. Strike to Tamim Iqbal, non-strike to Sharir Nafis. Zimbabwe's fast bowler James Cutley. Lovely ball into the off stump. Tamim Iqbal onside the magnificent shot just to the grade 6 Tamim Iqbal. One ball the 6 run. High handsome the maximum of the grade 6 Tamim Iqbal. Bangladesh, the bats of batsman Tamim Iqbal. It's a very sensible batting. Another ball, James Cutley. The beautiful ball, the middle stump. Tamim Iqbal has a beautiful straight drive just to the 4 runs. Welcome to the second boundary, Tamim Iqbal. 2 ball of the 10 runs.